Hello and welcome. Today we are doing a short walkthrough to show you where all observables and breakables are in For Honor's story mode, 6th mission, The Wolves Among Sheep. So at the start, all you want to do is protect the ram until you get close to the gate, as that is going to be our first observable. Once you're about 70% down the lane, you should see above the large gate the first observable. Keep protecting the ram until it is fully at the gate, and we'll continue from there. Okay, once the ram is at the gate, the wall where the enemy keeps jumping over will be the second observable. Then if you turn around, the side of the ram will be the next one. Then continue past the ram without activating it, up onto the side where the archers have been shooting you. You will see a small broken tower, and the piece of wall next to it is the next observable, and also your first breakables. And again, continue on that path, heading back towards the start of the mission. You will see a stone on top of a hill. In front of this is the next observable. Okay, now it's south to activate the ram and fight the boss. Okay, once you've defeated the boss, just in front of you to your left will be the next observable, and the gate behind you will be the next. Head up to the hill on your left, and the door will be the next one. Do not go further up the hill, and turn back towards the gate. You want to go on the left hand side, into the doorway right in front of the gate. Okay, once at top of the stairs, the next breakables will be within close vicinity. Okay, once you've destroyed those, continue around the side of that building. Right, now before jumping over to fight the boss, go back down the hill and up the stairs on your left. Once you've defeated the enemy on the bridge, on the right hand side at the end of the bridge will be the next breakables. Now it's safe to head over towards the boss. Do not jump over the ledge, as the boss is the next observable. Sometimes this one can be tricky and it doesn't show up unless you're in a certain position. Okay, once you've defeated the boss, continue through the gate. Okay, once you're through the gate, the first set of breakables is going to be on your right. Then head back up the hill. Okay, now the last observable is this burning building right here. Continue up the hill and you'll find the last breakables at the other side of that building. Okay guys, that is all 10 observables and 5 breakables in the 6th mission, Wolves Among Sheep. I hope this guide helped you. Please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.
Sanishka.